Welcome my dear friends. In this video, we're gonna fix the Android error that says, app not installed. Generally, Google Play Store is the secure place to download and install apps. However, there are situations where we often need to install from third-party sources. Or, as an app developer, you might want to install your own app. Predominantly we get this error in these special cases. Solution 1. Corrupt or incompatible APK. Please re-download the APK file, possibly from another website. Generally, there are different variants available. You should download the one that's specific to your device. If you are not sure, then please download and install a small app called Droid Info. This gives the information that you require to precisely download the variant compatible to your device. Solution 2. Permissions and restrictions. First, let's try enabling installation from unknown sources. Whenever you install an APK, you usually get this prompt. If you see it, then please select Settings. Over here, enable Allow from this source. Now please try to install the app and see if it has fixed. If you do not get it automatically, then please go to Settings. Select Apps. Now choose the particular app from where you plan to install the APK. For example, if you are going to install from a file manager, select that specific file manager. Select Advanced. Over here you can see Install Unknown Apps. Now please try to install the app and see if it has fixed. If it didn't work, continue with the remaining steps to disable Google Play Protect. Please go to Google Play Store. Select your profile icon. Choose Play Protect. Select this little gear icon at top right corner. Over here, disable these two options. Now please try to install the app and see if it has fixed. Solution 3. Uninstall the existing app. Double-check if the app that you are trying to install, or any variant of the same app, is already available in your device. If it's found, please uninstall. If you have different user or guest profiles, please uninstall the app from all users. If you're using SD card, please ensure the app has been removed from there as well. Solution 4. Not enough storage. Insufficient storage is another cause of this error. Please ensure that you have free space, at least 3 times the size of the app. If you do not have free space, then please uninstall other unused apps. And delete unwanted old files. Solution 5. Clear data of package installer. Navigate to Settings. Open Apps. Make sure Show System Processes is enabled. Select Package Installer. Go to Storage and Cache. Over here select Clear Storage. Solution 6. Apk Signer. Download an app called Apk Signer from the Android Play Store. Open Apk Signer and sign the problematic APK. Now try to install the signed APK and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 7. Apk Editor. Search on Google and install Apk Editor. Navigate and open the problematic APK. Click on Install Location. Please choose Internal only. Save the APK. This is the location and name of the edited APK. Navigate to this path and try installing the edited APK. If it did not work, you can come back here and try changing the version also and save. Solution 8. App Bundles Installers. The Android apps bundle files can come in a compressed bundle formats like these. If you are trying to install any of these files instead of regular APK, then please search and install relevant app bundles installer first. Then install the actual app using the bundle app installer. Solution 9. Resetting the app preferences. Please go to Settings. Select System. Advanced. Reset Options. Over here please select Reset App Preferences. Please follow on-screen instructions and complete the rest of the process. Solution 10. Factory Data Reset. Warning: this method deletes all personal data in your phone, so please back up before performing this solution. Please follow the same navigation of last solution till you reach Reset Options. This time please select Factory Reset. Please follow on-screen instructions and complete the rest of the process. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please add your comments below, I'll respond to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you so much for watching.